Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Updates. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Zetachain. So I'm going to talk about the Zetachain Mainnet that is coming up very soon, and I'm also going to talk about the criteria for you to qualify for the Zetachain Airdrop and what are they going to use the Zeta points for. So please make sure to watch this video to the end so that you will be up to date. Alright, so what is Zetachain? So Zetachain is an EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain that connects all the network. So it builds interoperable dApps that span any chain, including Bitcoin and other network. In addition, Zetachain is the foundational public blockchain that enables omni-chain, generic smart contracts, and messaging between any blockchain. So there are many reasons for the speculation of Zetachain going to launch very soon. So recently there was a tweet from BitGet. So I came across a tweet from BitGet, and you can see also Zetachain also tweeted about it. So today BitGet debuted their all new tax to get platform on Zetachain. So if you visit BitGet wallet, which was formerly known as Bitkeep, so if you visit it, you are going to see the latest tax on BitGet wallet. And for you to participate in this Zetachain campaign, you are going to be among those that will gain like 700,000 Zeta reward pool. So this is a tax in preparation for the mainnet event, so you can also participate in it. So I'm going to drop this at the description of this video for you to participate in, to show you that very soon Zetachain are going to launch their official token. So it can be Q4 this year 2023, or maybe Q1 2024. I don't know yet, but I think very soon Zetachain is going to launch its official utility token. And for those of you that don't know how to participate in this campaign, well, I made a video about Zetachain months ago, but I'm going to still talk about it now. So for those of you that don't know how to participate in this campaign to get the Zeta point, which will be converted to Zeta token at the end of the testnet event, please make sure to follow this step on how you can start. So I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video. So once you click on the link, guys, it is going to bring you here. So what you need to do is to connect it to your MetaMask wallet, that is using the extension browser. So for those that don't have PC, you can use Mrs. browser in participating in this campaign. And if you don't know how to add MetaMask extension to your extension browser, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video that will guide you. Add MetaMask wallet to your extension browser. So once you are done with this and you are good to go, what you need to do at first is to connect it to your MetaMask wallet. So you're going to connect it to your MetaMask wallet by clicking on connect. Once you click on connect, your MetaMask wallet is going to open. Alright guys, so they are going to show you the Zetachain Ancestry testnet. What you need to do is to just add it. For those that have not added the chain already, so just click on approve. Okay, adding. So I just switch the network. Alright, for those that have not started claiming point on the Zeta lab, so you wait for it to process so that it will connect. So you can see, guys, it has connected. After that, what you need to do is to verify your account with either your Twitter account or your Discord account. So I'm going to use Twitter because I use Twitter in participating, because I use Twitter in creating an account on the Zeta lab, which I've already gained points. So I'm going to use Twitter. So I don't know of Discord. I normally use Twitter. So it's going to direct you to your X account. So it's going to bring you here. What you need to do is to just authorize it. Alright guys, so once you authorize it, it's going to take you back here. So you are going to see the amount of Zeta points you got. So for the first registration, they are going to give you 5,000 Zeta points. So for you to register, guys, they are going to give you 5,000 Zeta points. And to increase your Zeta points, you need to click on invite for you to invite your friends. And for you to invite your friends, you just need to click on copy link, then send it to your friends. Anyone that follow this procedure, is going to get 5,000 ZETA points, and per invite you are going to get 5,000 ZETA points once your friend register. So this is how you can get ZETA points. So in my next video about ZETA, I'm going to show you guys how to get the ZETA Testnet token for you to interact with some ZETA dApps, DeFi gaming, and a lot more. So there are a lot of projects that built under the ZETA ecosystem. So I'm going to show you guys how to interact with them for you to get high chance of ZETA reward in the future. So this is how you can participate in the ZETA campaign. This is the latest update on Zetachain Mainnet. So I feel this project is going to launch very soon. Make sure you get enough ZETA points so that you can be among those that will get the airdrop at the end. So guys, this is what you need to know, and if you are confused guys, please check the description of this video for my Telegram handle, and you can also join my Telegram group for quick updates. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.